Hey folks, I welcome you back to Global Education Zone, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to construct a rectangle when given the length of the diagonal on one side. So in this case, you are going to draw the diagonal. So let's draw a diagonal of the rectangle. So in this case, let's assume we have a given diagonal of let's say 6 centimeters. So we'll draw from 1 to 7. That will give a length of 6 centimeters. Let's call it AB. Now this is the diagonal of the rectangle. Now the next stage is with center A and the radius of the given side. Draw an arc to cut the circumference at C. So now, first of all, you are going to draw construct a circle on this line. So basically, you need to bisect the line. We'll do that. So bisect it by cutting an arc up and down, then intersecting that arc on the right. Don't change the radius of your compass. So you draw a line through the intersection. Then this center, you draw a circle on that center. So open the compass from the center to the edge of the line, then draw a circle. Now we have a circle. So this is a circle, and okay, there's a little mistake here. So now we've drawn the circle here. Now the next stage in this drawing is you are going to open your compass to the length of the side of the rectangle. So in this case, let's assume the side is let's say assume a side of 3.5. Yes, of 3.5. Let's use 3 side of 3. Now open the compass to 3, and then I'll cut. Now you have the cut. Put it at the edge and cut on the circumference. So let's call that cut C. Then the next thing is to join the from that cut, join to the other edge, that is B. Let's join them. So the last thing to do is to draw a line parallel to the line CB passing through A. So you put your set square on the line BC, put your ruler beside it, and extend the line downwards till it passes through A. So draw a parallel line. Then the last stage is to connect the lines. So let's call this D. So connect A to D, connect A to C. So A to C. Now connect B to D. So this is it right here. So A to D. So now we've successfully constructed a rectangle when given the length of the diagonal on one side.